If your air conditioner is not cooling your house, something is off somewhere. There is a high possibility that the situation can be easily addressed. But then, before you can address it, you must know the cause. Let us discuss the reasons why your air conditioner might not cooling the house. Number 1. Your air filter might be clogged. This is often the reason your air conditioner might not be cooling the house. A central air system works by drawing hot air from the room. This air travels through the compressor and condenser and then makes a return journey back to the room after it has cooled. However, this process can be hindered if the blower fan is not providing sufficient airflow on the unit's evaporator coils. This bad air circulation is bound to create ice formation on the coils. This ice or frost formation will freeze the air handler and clog the air filter. This means the air cooling capacity of your air conditioner will be reduced. In summary, the lack of airflow circulation within the air conditioner leads to a clogged air filter. This would limit the amount of air coming through the vents into your house. Also, it is important to point out that some air conditioners are programmed to shut down automatically if the air filter is clogged. This is to prevent overheating and damage to the air conditioner's motor. To resolve this issue, take out the air filter. If you can reuse them, wash, and reattach them. However, if they are disposable air filters, you will need to replace them. We advise you to change your AC air filter twice or thrice in a year for optimal performance. Inspect the condenser coils. The air conditioner condenser coils are located on the outdoor unit of the AC system. They help with the heat extraction from the pressured refrigerant gas coming from the compressor. It also helps in dispensing the extracted heat. If this heat is not dispensed properly, your air conditioner unit won't be cool enough to provide the cooling that your house needs. What can make the condenser coil less effective? The answer is simple: it's dirt. Once the condenser coils get dirty and filled with grime, it will not be able to perform effectively. Clean the condenser coil for better heat dispensation. Make use of a fin comb to avoid damage to the condenser fins. This allows for better airflow. Consider a faulty blower. This might be another reason your air conditioner has not been blowing cool air into your house. In all air conditioners, there is a blower or fan that draws in hot air from the room onto the evaporator coil and helps to blow cool air back into your house. This results in the coils becoming extremely cold to the point of ice being formed on them. This frost will only add to the initial airflow problem. How to know if you have a faulty blower? Unscrew the blower. After doing this, check the blower blades and its motor to see if they can still turn properly. If they don't, they are faulty. You should probably get an expert to check it out for you if you are unsure about what to do. Inspect the compressor cooling fan. The compressor cooling fan is located directly in front of the condenser. It helps to cool it down to prevent it from getting overheated. If this fan is faulty, it affects your condenser. This will affect the air cooling process. See if the thermostat is functioning. If the blower and filters showed no sign of damage or clogging, check your thermostat. The thermostat is a device that detects the temperature in the room and sends a signal to the compressor to begin or end the cooling process once the temperature of the room is at the right level. If the thermostat is faulty, it won't be able to send signals to the compressor. There are two different ways the fault connect to a faulty compressor can manifest. One of them is that your air conditioner will not cool your room. This is because the thermostat would be indicating to the compressor that the room is at the required temperature. 2. Your compressor will not turn off when the room temperature reaches the required temperature. This means that the room might end up becoming too cold. Consider a defective compressor. Every part of the air conditioner is crucial. However, the compressor is the most integral component. No cooling can occur without the compressor. A compressor compresses the coolant coming from the evaporator coils before sending it down to the condenser. In other words, if the AC's compressor is faulty, no cooling will occur. Confirm the air conditioner cooling capacity. All air conditioners have varying cooling capacities. For maximum cooling experience, the square footage measurement of the room has to correspond with the specified ratings on your air conditioner. In addition, the number of people occupying the room will also influence the cooling capacity of the air conditioner. Are you using a portable air conditioner? Portable AC systems are cheap and great for cooling. It might be too small for the room you have installed it in. Installing a portable AC system in a big room will make it hard for it to cool the entire room. The solution is to get the appropriate AC size for the room. You should look at the capacitor. Consider this as a possible cause if you are using a window-type air conditioner. This is because a lot of window-type AC units are designed to make use of the capacitor in starting the compressor. This means if your AC unit's capacitor is not working, the compressor will not work. You may have a faulty control or circuit board. The control board, or the printed circuit board, works together with the thermostat. It can also be the cause of insufficient cool air in the house. The control board helps in regulating the room temperature by signaling to the thermostat to start or stop the compressor. The control board will be incapable of performing such a task if it is corroded or has been ruptured. Insufficient refrigerant. The refrigerant, also known as coolant, absorbs the hot air drawn from the room into the evaporator coils. It goes from there into the compressor where it is pressured. This is then transferred to the condenser where the heat is extracted, and it becomes a high-pressure liquid. It circulates back as cool air into the room. Now, the refrigerant can't go bad. However, a slow refrigerant leak is possible. This leak can reduce the coolant level. Also, a refrigerant leak will lead to a noticeable depletion in the production of cool air from the AC unit into your house. The best way to fix this problem is to get a professional, as the process is quite technical. The remote control. This is probably the first device to check if you have cool air circulation issues in your home. The remote control is used in sending signals to the air conditioner when you want to increase or decrease its cooling effect. If the remote control is bad, the AC will not receive a signal from the remote control. The problem can be easily resolved by buying a new remote control that works best with your unit. Check the description below for a link to get an air conditioner replacement part from Amazon. All the parts of the air conditioner play a crucial role in cooling any room. If one of these parts becomes defective, it is bound to affect the air cooling process. Also, if you can figure out the reason for the glitch in the cooling process, attend to it immediately. If the problem is more technical, consult a technician. We hope you have enjoyed this video. Kindly click the subscribe button. Turn on the notification icon, so you never miss a new video from us again. Also visit our website, www.zimairconditioning.com, for more air conditioning content like this.